Okay, then we have the vaporized TNT. Which if we bring it over here, show that it vaporizes water and all this, like lava. Then we have gravity TNT. Yeah, okay. Well, that one just sucks in mobs and kills them. I guess there was none nearby to show that. Let me show you that one better. See that chicken right there? You see? Sucks them in. And it explodes. Then we have the lightning TNT. Explosion shaped like a cube. Then we have floating TNT. Float. See? It's a pretty big explosion. Very big. Wouldn't think it would be as powerful as it is, you know. Then we have TNT firework. Then spawns TNT. Then we have sand firework and arrow TNT. So you start with sand firework. Has arrow right here because there's a lot of so it should. Look, killed all half the mobs. Okay. Bye, 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 bye. Inverted, so you know. Okay, next we have the timer TNT, which as you guess, it is on a timer. As you see, the green means that you're fine, yellow means it's getting close, and red means it's about to explode. Then we have the flat TNT. Just put mining flat TNT. Okay. So we go down a little bit, place this here, and then we light it. This one is basically kind of like the flash, except breaks all the ore and puts it down, and it lights everything up. Just like that. We don't need that. Okay. Then we have the compact TNT. As it is, as it sounds, it is just TNT. It gets lit. It just explodes. Explodes, you know. Fine. Then we have animal TNT. This one just, as it sounds, it spawns animals. He's like times 500, but it's a meteor. It does a ton of damage. See? A ton. Then we have spiral TNT. It goes up, and then it spins. Good for a large area of destruction. Then we have erupting TNT. As it sounds, it is just one TNT that shoots out TNT out of the top. See? TNT. Okay. Okay, then we have Grove TNT. Let's go maybe here. And then this one does is it spawns in trees. A lot of forest vegetation, you know, all that stuff. Then we have Ender TNT. Basically, this one kind of just teleports around a little bit. Actually, it teleports the entities next to it. It's pretty interesting. You wouldn't think many TNTs would ever do that, because you think you just want to destroy everything around it. Then we have Meteor Shower. As you look up, oh, that's a lot of meteors. It just destroys a lot of land. See? A lot of meteors. I'm not sure how long it'll last. See, it lasts for a little bit. Destroys a lot of area for one TNT, you know. Then we have the inverted TNT. This one's one of the more interesting ones. It's not like a normal TNT, 'cause it just takes the ground with it up. See, it's pretty interesting. It's very unique compared to a lot of these other TNTs. Then we have the nuclear TNT. This one is one of the interesting ones. 'Cause it spawns in a huge, it's a huge crater. And then there's a ton, it does nuclear radiation, nuclear waste that slowly eats the ground underneath it. It's a very interesting mechanic. There's even another TNT later that I'll show you that takes that mechanic a lot more than just that. Because that's like a mix between two mechanics. Then we have the chemical TNT. TNT that goes straight into the ground and can just barely can go through almost anything except like bedrock. After that, we have reaction TNT. Just go right here. So it's a pretty big crater. Okay, I'm gonna go find a new place real quick. Okay, let's just. God, the lag is insane. I probably have like only. Ooh, this looks like a great area. Okay. See, no TNT has made it here yet. Okay. Okay. Found a new area that we could test more of the TNT, and so it shows the full power of it. Next we have the Easter egg TNT. Don't let it fool you. It is pretty big explosion. Sets off. Very, very powerful. You wouldn't think such an unassuming TNT would do all that. It's just. Okay, then we have the walking TNT. Basically a TNT that just goes around and just walks. Just then we have the wool TNT. Just like then we have wool. It basically just turns everything into wool. It's very colorful. We should have done next to the lava, but it's only gonna be. Then we have say goodbye. I don't like to look at this one.
Say goodbye.
Then we have angry miners. Sounds interesting, but all it is try and throw dynamite. Not gonna go in survival, but I'm guessing you get the gist of that. Then we have withering TNT. There we go. It just spawns soul sand, soul soil, and wither skeleton. Then, like I said before, this is the other TNT that relates a little bit to the nuclear TNT. Nuclear waste TNT. All this one does is it spawns nuclear waste. Unlike nuclear TNT, it just spawns only nuclear waste. As you can see, nuclear waste is just all some of the blocks. And it even gives you some nausea, poison, and radiation. Then we have static TNT. That one just doesn't move. Then we have pumpkin bomb. It's interesting. It's kind of like Halloween because it spawns a lot of candy, which can be eaten. So it's a very interesting inclusion with this mod. I could destroy the item. Say goodbye. Then we have smoke TNT. Which all it does is spawn smoke. You can make the color different by adding dye to it. Then we have the troll TNT. There's actually 3 types of troll TNT. This is the explosion. We have Mark II, which just keeps on spawning more and more and more. Break it. Yeah. One's Troll TNT 2, and then we have Troll TNT Mark III. Explodes and nothing happens. See, everything looks normal. And it, basically just tricks everybody into thinking, oh, it's normal. Or was it? Or is it? And you just don't expect anything to happen if it does happen. Control TNT just killed me. It would have killed you. But the cluster bomb, just cluster all over, Then we have the airstrike, like this. And you look up and no, you're being Then we have spamming TNT. Let's go over here to this village. Try this one out, and then we'll try these next two out here. Let's spawn this one in this house. Villager's house. Oh no. Dirt. Get rid of it all. Okay. Then we have the bouncing TNT. This one is kind of like a slime. And then basically just goes, so it explodes. Which knows when it will do it. Maybe. No. Oh, come on, when's that? There we go. See, it just then it explodes. Okay. Okay. Next we have the roulette TNT. It's basically, there's a chance it doesn't explode, and then there's a chance it does. This time it didn't explode. Just say we did it again. See? Do I get lucky again, or then you get explodes? Well, it depends. What do you, if it's unlucky because you're like, oh, it's unlucky that it didn't explode, but the whole point of it is to Russian roulette. Then we have the sensor TNT. Basically just senses things, and the second something that goes near it, it explodes. So, that one probably won't go off until something goes near it. Then we have the rainbow fireworks. Rainbow concrete falling from the sky. Then we have X-ray TNT. All this one does, it just turns most blocks into like glass. It helps you be able to, and it keeps some of the ore. Keeps the ore, but turns everything else into glass. It's kind of like, X-ray. Then we have farming TNT. One basically just spawns like a farm. Survive very well in the desert, but it's a farm. Phantom TNT. And it just goes somewhere else. Then we have swap TNT. Just basically changes where I'm at. Basically just teleports me. Like now I'm underground. You know, so you could just spawn you anywhere. It could spawn you underground. It could spawn you on the surface somewhere. Then we have Igniter TNT. Basically this one made just night other TNT. Doesn't even explode. That sensor still doesn't say entities. Okay, then we have next we have multiplying TNT. As it comes by the name, it basically just multiplies TNT. Doesn't multiply forever, otherwise not gonna be good for us. Then we have butter TNT. Basically this one just spawns gold blocks everywhere. Just say we put in this person's home. Then we have pulse TNT. Pretty large size. Then we have dividing TNT. Look at all that. A lot of damage done. Then we have the picky TNT. It destroyed all the grass in a specific area since I placed it on grass. Then we have the big TNT. See, and it goes from a normal size and then becomes bigger. There's also variations of this that are just, bigger and bigger, And then we have the ice meteor, which is basically just a meteor, but ice. See? Ice meteor. Then we have honey TNT. As this sounds, it spawns honey. And then we have the eating TNT. Probably won't be able to do much here because there's like no mobs nearby, but if there were mobs nearby, it just goes around and it basically kills mobs. You see there's nothing around, which is too bad because it would have been interesting to see this thing do anything. And then it just explodes. But then we have the lush TNT. Kind of like a lush cave type thing with water, those type drip leaves, and what that block is. You get the gist of it. Okay. Then we have geode TNT. Basically just spawns a geode. Then we have Nether Grove. This basically just spawns the Nether Grove. In here. Okay, look at that. In the overworld. Then we have Dripstone TNT, and as it sounds, spawns in Dripstone. Just go over here into this village first. All over. Then we have Graveyard TNT. Basically, spawns in a graveyard. Pretty well interesting one at that. You see, there's a lot. See, it's very interesting. at. Then we have replay TNT. Not much about this one, but it just is like a time reversal type TNT. Guessing it would have worked better if other things, but you know. Just reversing that. Then we have end TNT, which basically it just spawns in part of the end. And the course things, and course flowers, and enderman. Then we have Christmas TNT. Okay. Then we have Earthquake TNT. Shake your screen. Oh gosh, there's the eyes. Kinda makes a ravine for you. Goes down pretty deep. And then we're down to our final 4 TNTs. Prism, the ring, Shulk, and Lucky. So first we'll start with Prism. Basically just spawns like a triangular prism in its explosion. Then we have Ring TNT. This one just spawns a ring of TNT. And make you your own island. Then we have Skulk TNT. Basically it just brings Skulk and all that stuff to you. Skulk sensors everything, you know. Probably be unlucky if you did that. Then we have Lucky TNT. Basically this one just spawns in any random TNT. This time we got the Angry Miner. So that is all for the normal TNTs. I will make 2 more videos on this mod for the God TNTs and the Doomsday TNTs. That's all for now.